Welcome everyone to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. We all use vehicles daily, but do you know how important it is to pay attention to safety while using vehicles? Every year, millions of people fall victim to road accidents, and most of these accidents happen due to negligence and ignoring safety rules. So today's video is very important from the safety point of view, so don't skip this video. If you liked this video, then like and share it. In this video, we will discuss about the main reasons for road accidents, how can we reduce these accidents, and keep ourselves safe, and we will also talk about National Road Safety Month, why is it observed, and what is the purpose of observing it. So, let's start today's video. In today's time, vehicles have become an important part of our lives. Life feels incomplete without them. As the population is increasing worldwide, the number of vehicles on the roads is also continuously rising. Like if I talk about a house with 4 members, you can assume that there will also be 4 vehicles in that house, because nowadays, due to less time, everyone needs their own vehicle for commuting. But if any negligence is done while driving, crossing the road, or walking on the road, even a small mistake can lead to a big accident. Do you know, in India, one person loses their life in a road accident every 4 minutes. As we read daily in newspapers, or hear in the news about accidents, where several people lost their lives and many got injured, most road accidents happen due to overspeeding, drunk driving, and negligence. Although the condition of roads in our country has significantly improved, and even vehicles now come with advanced technology, accidents are still increasing every year instead of decreasing. If you remember, on the 20th of December 2024, a major accident occurred in Jaipur, Rajasthan. You must have read or heard about it. On that day, an LPG truck was taking a U-turn, and during the U-turn, another truck coming from the front collided with the LPG truck, causing an LPG leak, and resulting in a fire. It is said that the fire spread to a radius of 250 to 300 meters, burning around 40 vehicles, causing the death of over 25 people, and injuring over 40 others. The accident was so horrifying that whoever read, heard, or saw videos about it got deeply shaken. Before proceeding further in the video, if you haven't watched our video on how to help injured people in road accidents, you can find the link in the description below. Go and watch that video to learn how you can fulfill your moral duties by helping injured people. Now, let's come back to this video. Every year, millions of people lose their lives in road accidents worldwide, and crores of people get seriously injured. The available data on road safety in India shows that more than 1 lakh people die in road accidents every year. According to a 2022 report by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, there were approximately 461,312 road accidents in India, resulting in 168,491 deaths and 443,366 injuries. The number of road accidents in 2022 increased by 11.9% compared to 2021. To increase awareness about road safety among people, National Road Safety Month is observed every year across India by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in January to February month. This year, it is being observed from 1st January 2025 to 31st January 2025. During this month, Various programs are organized at places like government and non-government offices, schools, colleges, workplaces, etc. The aim is to increase awareness about road safety and reduce road accidents so that people don't make any mistakes while driving, walking on the road, or crossing the road that could lead to an accident. What are the causes of road accidents? There are many reasons for road accidents, including overspeeding, drunk driving, violation of traffic rules, using mobile phones while driving, poor vehicle condition, inexperienced drivers, driving in the wrong direction to save time, not paying attention while crossing the road, etc. Now, let's talk about what should we keep in mind while driving. Before starting the journey, thoroughly check your vehicle for any faults, ensure all lights and brakes are functioning properly, and check that all tires have the correct air pressure. During the journey, if you're using a two-wheeler, wear a helmet, and if you're using a four-wheeler, use a seatbelt. Maintain a proper distance from the vehicles in front of you. Before turning or changing lanes, use indicator and check the side mirror to ensure no vehicle is approaching from behind. Always overtake from the correct side, and only when you have a clear view, as most accidents occur due to hasty overtaking, or overtaking from the wrong side. Always maintain a speed that allows you to stop or control the vehicle easily, if needed. In blind spots, gradually move your vehicle to the side, while checking the side mirror. Avoid sudden braking. Never drive after consuming alcohol. Don't talk on the phone while driving. If it's urgent, park your vehicle on the side, turn on hazard lights, and then talk. At night, use high beam lights, only when the road is dimly lit, and there are no vehicles nearby. Avoid using a high beam when another vehicle is within 100 meters. Slow down your vehicle and let pedestrians cross the road. Avoid any activity that might distract you while driving. Never overload your vehicle, as it can disturb its balance and cause an accident, and also follow all the signboards on the road. Now, let's talk about what should we keep in mind while walking on the road and crossing it. Always use zebra crossings while crossing the road. Never run to cross the road when vehicles are moving. Always look both ways and estimate the speed of oncoming vehicles before crossing. If there's a footpath beside the road, always walk on it. Always hold children's hands while crossing the road or walking near it. Never use phones or earphones while crossing the road. Always walk on the right side of the road. With this, we conclude today's video. Remember, your safety is in your hands. Therefore, always exercise caution while driving. If you found this video useful, please like and share it. Thank you.